Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Halo theme on acoustic guitar. We'll start by breaking down the fundamental chord progression. You'll learn the 4 essential open chords: G major, D major, E minor, and C major. Mastering these transitions is your first step to capturing that epic sound. Practice moving between them slowly and deliberately to build muscle memory and ensure a clean sound. Now, let's dive into the iconic melody. You'll primarily use the high E and B strings to articulate those memorable notes. Focus on precise finger placement, often utilizing your index and middle fingers. Incorporating techniques like hammer-ons and pull-offs will add a smooth, flowing quality to your playing, making the melody truly sing. Take your time to get each note clear. Next, we'll focus on the rhythm and dynamics that bring the theme to life. Keep a consistent 4/4 time signature throughout the piece. A gentle down-up strumming pattern works wonderfully for the main progression. Experiment with varying your strumming intensity. Playing softer in some sections and stronger in others will add depth and emotional impact to your performance. Finally, it's time to put all the pieces together for a complete performance. Integrate the chord changes, the melody, and your chosen rhythm seamlessly. Start by practicing at a very slow tempo, gradually increasing your speed as you gain confidence. Remember, this is your interpretation, so feel free to add your unique personal touch to make the Halo theme truly your own.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.